Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you a Canva Pro secret, which is how to smart resize for every platform. So you've been having issues manually resizing images or designs to suit every platform. Here's how you can simply stop redesigning for every platform and use this step instead. So try to follow up. Alright, so your first step would be to log on to canva.com. Make sure you have an account. If you do not, simply sign up and sign in. And then once you're logged onto Canva, let's just go ahead and find the design. So I have a design currently loaded up, and now instead of just going ahead to share and then manually having to use the crop tool to simply enlarge or reduce the size of your image, you could just head over to resize at the top left. It is a premium feature, but you can click on resize, and then using the suggested, you can go ahead and select any of the suggested sizes that I've made available, or you could simply search for resize options by simply typing in what you want. Now you can also make use of the Smart Resize by clicking on custom size and then entering a custom size for your design. Let's say something like 1080 by 1080. And now all you need to do is simply click on copy and resize. You can go ahead and resize or click on resize the design. So go ahead and do that, and it's going to resize the entire page, and then you can now have your design resized. Now you can also click on resize here again. Click on resize, and now you can set it up for social media. This is where the smart resize comes into play. You can set it up for any social media platform by simply selecting any of the sizes shown here, and your design would be cropped and fitted into those sizes. All right, guys. So one click and every platform is covered. That's how you can go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.